So if you're still smart, Charlie, let's take a look. That is February, March, and April of 2002. So we'll see what this weekly by itself was doing. We'll format the bars so they're thicker and space them out. Okay, that's a bit better. Now the analysis. Turn on the envelope and nearby resistance and support. Turn the monthly envelope on. See what we've got. Maybe I better blow that. Turn on the nearbys. Okie dokie. There's your 52-week moving average. As it pushes to the downside, the weekly peel dot will lose its push to the upside. A wall will form. The nearby weekly resistance will be holding, and sure enough, and then a 6-1 comes into play, and that is it. It is also something going on in the monthly. There's the monthly peel dot in blue. The monthly peel dot is losing its push to the upside in March. Why do I say that? Well, because the weekly is. Because if the monthly is losing its push to the upside, so the weekly. So we'll take a look at the monthly. What price was that? Around 1150. 2002 1150. Here we are. This is the monthly. There's the monthly envelope. That little red line there. So in January, February, March, right in here. Monthly 5.9 down. That's your 52 weekly 52-week moving average. And then the old 5.1 down. And for sure, the monthly peel dot is losing its push to the upside. Even the main channel line gets into action here. And that happens to be this blue thing, the quarterly peel dot. So the quarterly peel dot is losing its push in March of 2002 to the upside, as well as the weekly 52 moving average is pushing down. So we move our billions in their hedge fund into accepting the fact that the 52 weekly moving average is pushing down, and it's not going up through. Because if it's not going up through all the time periods, we'll lose the push to the upside in March. And 1150, there's the quarter. Yeah, there's your quarterly peel dot right there. And that's 5.1 down. And 2002, I have no idea what that is. 1150. Oh, it's coming out of yearly C wave. We've got a yearly C wave hammering in here. So your weekly 5.2 moving average, of course, is going to be moving on down. And here's the daily in March. And in the weekly 5.2 down, moving average, the daily peel dot will be losing its push to the upside. All these lines on here are kind of scary, but you can see that the daily is losing its push. The nearby daily resistance is holding, and it's holding here to 5.2 down and so forth. C wave, it's landing into all of this is just landing into what we just reviewed on the monthly and weekly. And you see why just looking at the daily, you would say, well, the weekly 5.2 moving average is breaking. It's like looking at a 5-minute chart. That's that, Charlie. That's how the weekly 5.2 moving average, that to the downside, will kick to the downside. Now we'll see how it doesn't.